at you lames, cause I'm sucker proof. Look, don't play no games, boy, I'm busted proof. Can't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. You a fucking fraud, I'm the fucking truth. I went solo on that ass, I think I'm fucking Snoop. Solo in this game, I'm like fuck the group. Solo in my SLB is like fuck the road. That's fucking true, that's fucking hoe. Nick motherfucker, looking like a hustler do. I built this label up just like Russell do. Give me 10 years, they gon' be like Russell who? Never trust them fools, get a fucking clue. I skip the meets, tell the facts, watch my fucking moves. I'm Birdman and blue chucks, watch my fucking shoes. I'm Suge Knight, I'm Jake Prince, I'm like fuck the rules. I'm Austin Rose, I'm Jonah Berger. This ain't black on black crime, but it's fucking murder. This beat ain't even mixed, but it's fucking perfect. They paid $100 for my tape and it was fucking worth it. Shout out to Wendy Williams, cause she helped me surface. Shout out my nigga Jigga, cause he made that purchase. Shout out my nigga Sway, my nigga B-Dot. Who kids sold out the first day, we had to restock. Look, count up that low, count up that low. Look, black on black beans, young niggas salute. Look, go Cuban links, just reppin' my roots. Look, blood, sweat, and tears, just squeezing my fruits. Look, my nigga Harvey got shot in his head. Look, I got that call and they said he was dead. Look, I couldn't cry, but it hurt a nigga. Mostly because he was too young to find his purpose, nigga. It's like the short, let's make it worth it, nigga. We all so far from perfect, nigga. Cameras rolling, no rehearsals, nigga. Blood scared, money never made a fucking purchase, nigga. Look at all this game in my verses, nigga. I swore that I would never have to work for niggas.